Hey guys, welcome back. Sunday's dinner was a Costco pizza, which was $9.99. So for Monday's dinner, I used the risotto that I purchased last week at Lidl. I did use 2 packs. 2 packs was more than enough. I would recommend only using one. I did use vegetable broth as suggested, and I do keep mine pretty warm prior to adding to the risotto. And I did saute the risotto in butter. You can't see, but there was butter in the pan already. And I just followed the directions, and it was really simple, and it was really delicious, and I would definitely purchase again if I see it there. Hey, just want to give you guys a tip. When making risotto, the liquid should always be hot. I haven't made risotto in years, to be honest. I wasn't sure if the kids were going to like it, but surprisingly, everybody enjoyed it. It doesn't really taste like pumpkin that much, but it was a really good risotto. So I just kept stirring and adding the broth until it got to a texture that was kind of mushy but still held the shape of the rice. So it took about 30 minutes to cook this risotto. I did use 2 packs. If you used less, it probably would take less time. I would have preferred to grill this on Monday, but it was raining that day, unfortunately. Monday's dinner was skirt steak, sauteed mushrooms, and pumpkin risotto. Tuesday's dinner was chicken soup with corn, carrots, celery, and some herbs. I was going to add potatoes or yuca, but chose not to because I did add rice to my soup at the end. On Wednesday, I did a quick run to the supermarket to get some baby food, cheese and lettuce for the burgers this week, chickpeas for Friday, potatoes that were on sale, and onions, tomatoes for the burgers, buns, and basmati rice for Thursday's dinner. Wednesday's dinner was burgers and fries. Some of the kids don't like it with all the fixings, just cheese. I like it with everything, as well as my husband. Thursday's dinner was chicken karahi. Please check out my recipe video for that. I served that alongside with basmati rice, cucumbers. It was really delicious, a little spicy, but it had so much flavor, the spice didn't matter. Friday's dinner was fried fish and baked french fries. This is not my picture, but I had a Chick-fil-A salad on Saturday. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe below. Thank you.